see it's blank, and we will choose here computer, file, new virtual machine, and I'm using workstation 17. Next, and we'll create a virtual machine first, and then we will install the operating system here, mount the operating system ISO. Why I'm doing that? Sometime when you feel when you see sometime there is an error, if you select this one here, there will be some error sometime that Windows cannot recognize the license key, something like that error will come. So better first create the Windows machine and then add the operating system media. Next, and Windows, and we will say this one is Windows Server 2022. Next, okay, this will be our domain controller, or AD domain DC1, you can say DC01. This is the location where this virtual machine will be installed, having all the file. You can change it if you have a less space on C, you can put it anywhere in the container. Next, and we required, okay, no problem, 60 GB we can take it, and then this one will stay. Okay, multiple files can be created. Next, and this is the RAM size, and this is the NAT, and this is the our storage for the domain controller. Finish. After doing finish, it will create our virtual machine. Here is virtual machine. One more thing, as I show you, this one we will create one with VM LAN switch. So creation mean we will just select, for example, this is our virtual machine. If you go edit, so these are your built-in all the switches. So one, you can use it as a host only. So host only mean VMnet 1. All the VM machine will connect on this switch. So this is our, in case you can say VMnet 1. Net 1. If you say here, so we selected VMnet 1, this one. Okay, I selected that VMnet 1. So this one is our switch is VMnet 1. Okay, you understand? Okay, so after that we'll mount the media. We'll go in edit, virtual machine, and then we will select our CD. Here we will select our ISO. So I have this trial version. I have browse. If you do browse, it's also available wherever you have put it in the downloaded and put it in the folder. You can select, reach there, and then you can select and then open, and it will come here. Okay, so we'll do OK. After doing OK, we will do power on, and when we power on, you have to press any key and it will start your Windows installation. So the guys who didn't install the Windows Server 2022, they can see now also that we are installing Windows 2022 server, and after that we will install our Windows machine. Okay, select default English United States. Next, install, and after that it will give us the version, which version we are gonna start, desktop experience or core CLI mode. So we will choose standard desktop experience. Next, and after that we will accept the license. Next, and custom installation, we have a blank drive there. We'll create new, apply, OK. It will create, and we'll choose the rest of them. This is the system, MS or reserved, these two files for the window, and this is the remaining part. We will install our Windows 2022 server. Okay, it will take a little time until this is completing. I will pause my video, and when you guys when it's already proceeded on the next window, I will jump back into the video. Okay, it's proceeded to the next window, and now it will take a restart and our window will take boot up. It will take a little time to set up our Windows Server 2022 for the first time startup. Okay, just be patient for some more minutes, and then we will have our login window where we can create a password for the local administrator. Okay, here we go. So we will give our any password you want to give, but make sure it's a complex password. Okay, finish. And our window is ready. You can go here, right click, and then send Alt Control Del, login with your given password. And you can see right now window will be like not very graphically, and other way you can say it's not very fit. So what we will do, we will install the VMware tools also. So you can go right click and install VMware tools, click here, and you can close this one. And if you go inside of this file explorer, you can see in this computer the VMware tool media is mounted. On the back end, this is by default first time our server manager is open whenever the window started. So we will say next time this should not automatically open, so we will close this one. Okay, so first we will install our VMware tools. So we will just double click and wait for the preparation for the installation of VMware tools. It will take little time, and 1 to 2 minutes, and after installing this VMware tools, we'll click here next. Typical is okay, next, and install. After installing, it will take a restart. So we will give a restart, and then you can see my graphics and video driver, everything will be fine, and window will be lighter. Okay, see, it's already see, mashallah, and it is already populated. So we'll go for finish and then one time restart. So now server looks